27. This is the diagram, and we need to know which statement is true here. Since this is parallel, AB is parallel to chord D. Hence this is equal and this is equal. This is according to the properties of a circle when a chord is parallel. Hence our answer is letter A. Number 28. In the diagram below, LMO is isosceles with LO and MO. So this is LO and MO are congruent. LO and MO are congruent. So their bases are also congruent. That's according to the isosceles triangle. And if this is congruent, this measures 180 degrees. 55 plus 55, that's 110 minus 180, that's 70 degrees here. The question is, what is the measurement of angle N? We all know that this plus this is equal to 98 degrees, and this is 55 degrees. Hence, the big triangle, the sum of the big triangle's interior angles is 180. So that would be 98 plus 55 is equal to 153, minus 180 is equal to 27 degrees. Our answer is letter A. In our triangle AED, with ABCD shown in this figure, trisect AB, EB, and AC are drawn. What is true here? So if this is drawn, it means if AB is equal to CD, then BC is reflexive in itself. It's equal to itself. Therefore, AC is congruent to DB. Addition property. Letter A. Number 30. In number 30, the diagram below triangle ABC, D is the midpoint and E is the midpoint of BC. If AC is equal to 4x plus 10, which represents DE. Now, we all know that in a triangle, which is the midpoint, it's median. So, DE here is equivalent to the 1/2 of its base. That's according to properties of this triangle when it is bisect. That's a midpoint. Now, if that is 1/2, so therefore we need to substitute. So that would be 2 over 2 of 2x plus 5, because this can be factored out. So that would be 2x plus 5. Letter B. Number 31. As shown in the diagram below, this triangle here is similar. So we need to find the length of AB. So we can apply here the proportion that AB is to BC and DE is to EF. Substitute, that would be 7x squared is equal to 28 divided by 7. So x squared is equal to 4 squared 8, x is equal to 2. And the question here is find AB. And AB is 7x. So 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Therefore, our answer is letter C. Number 32. If line segment AB is contained in plane P and line segment AB is perpendicular to plane R, which statement is true? So if this is the given figure, that AB is contained in plane P and AB is perpendicular to R, which statement is true? Of course, if this is perpendicular to R, then, and we all know that AB is parallel to R. AB is parallel to R. No, because it is perpendicular. It cannot be parallel. So it contradicts. Letter C. AB is perpendicular to plane P. No, not all the time. It may be perpendicular to R, but not all the time that it's perpendicular to P. Letter B. Plane P is parallel to plane R. Plane P is parallel to plane R. Again, not all the time that if trisects here, it is parallel. If it is perpendicular to parallel, no, it's not. D. Plane P is perpendicular to plane R. Plane P is perpendicular to plane R. which is true because this is the here and this is also here. Corresponding angles. Here is our figure, and it states that AB and GH are chords that are parallel. Now, if theirs are parallel, we all know that corresponding angles and alternate angles are congruent. And interior angles and other adjacent angles are supplementary. Letter A. Arc AC is equal to arc CB. Arc AC is equal to arc CB. And its angle here are adjacent, therefore they are not equal, which is false. Arc DH is equal to arc BH. These angles here are still supplementary, so these are not equal. This is false. Arc AB, this arc AB and GH are not equal. These are false because only diameters are congruent. Other D, arc AG is congruent to BH. This angle and this angle are alternate interior angles, which is very true in a parallel lines. Letter D. In the diagram below, circle O, diameter AB is parallel to the chord CD. If measurement of CD is equal to 70 degrees, what is the measurement of AC? If this is the CD and this measures 70 degrees, we all know that diameter is half of its chord, parallel chord. Therefore, that's 2x. This and this are equal, so these are 2x. So we need to add this and add here so that we can get what is our diameter. Therefore, our diameter is equal to 55. Number 35. The diameter of a sphere is 15 inches. What is the volume of the sphere to the nearest tenth of a cubic inch? Thus, we have a formula for cubes. For sphere, that's 4/3 of pi times the radius to the third. 4/3 times the radius, and it's pi times its radius 15. 15 is the diameter, so divided by 2, that's 7.5. 7.5 to the cube is equal to 1767.1, which is letter B. Number 36. If triangle GKL is congruent to MNO, which statement is always true? Angle KLJ and NMO is false. Angle KJL and angle MON is false. JL to MO is true, while GK is congruent to ON is false. Therefore, letter C. Next, the volume of a rectangular prism is 144 cubic inch. The height of the prism is 8 inches, which measurements in inches could be the dimensions of the base. We all know that in a rectangular prism, it is length times width times height, and it's the base that was being asked. So the base is length times its width. We have already the height of the prism, which is 8 inches, and we just need to find its base. Hence, if we're going to solve that in a calculator, that will be 2.5 by 7.2. Next, number 38. In the diagram below, AF is the median of the trapezoid ABCD. If AB is equal to 5x minus 9, so this is the figure, DC is equal to x plus 3, and EF is equal to x plus 2. A median is equal to the 1/2 of the sum of the two bases of a trapezoid. Hence, we have substitute EF is equal to 1/2, that's 2x plus 2 is equal to 1/2 of x plus 3 plus 5x minus 9. And if we're going to perform that, we need to combine its terms, so that would be x is equal to 5. Hence, our answer here is equal to A is 5 because the question is what is the value of our x.